Welcome back to Tech Tips University. Today I'm going to show you how to add an email signature in Outlook 2016. This video will be showing how to do this using the desktop application, not Office 365. The first step in the process is to click the File menu in the top left corner and then choose the Options button. In the Options window, you'll notice there's a menu on the left side of the screen. For email signature, we're going to click the Mail option. You have several options in this window and buttons down the right side, and we're going to click Signatures. You can see I already have my signature here, but I'll show you how to add one if you don't have one yet. I'm going to click the New button right here and give it a name. Click OK, and now you're ready to create your signature. In the box at the bottom, you type exactly what you want your signature to say. So I'm going to do thanks, and I'm going to leave a space and type my name, and then I'm going to type Tech Tips University, and then you can do your formatting in this same window. I'm going to change all of my text to a different color. Let's use orange. I'm going to make my name bold so it stands out, and I'm going to make Tech Tips University italics. Once you've completed the formatting and you have it exactly how you want it to look, you can click the Save button, and it adds it to your list of available signatures to use. Over here on the right side of the screen, you can see the email address account that you're going to be using the signature with. You have an option for new messages, meaning anytime you click the New Mail button, it automatically adds your signature. And you can add from multiple signatures that you've created. So if I wanted to use Tech Tips University, I simply click it here. The next option is for replies and forwards. So if you receive an email and you want to reply to the email and include your signature, you need to put it here. The same goes for forwarding. If you receive an email and you forward it to a new user, it's always helpful to have your signature in the email. So I could change this one to Tech Tips University as well and click OK. Click OK on this screen. And when I compose a new email, you now see that I have my signature right here in the body. It even leaves space at the top for me to compose my message. I'm going to close this email, and I'm going to open an existing email, and I'm going to click the Forward button. And notice it includes my signature here as well. And now I'm going to click Reply, and it does the same thing again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching at Tech Tips University. If you're interested in either one of the videos displaying on the screen, just click the link and they'll open. I hope you guys have a great day.